Welcome, fellow gardeners, to an exciting journey into the world of runner beans. Growing these incredible plants is so much more than just cultivating a simple vegetable. It's an immersive experience that truly transforms your garden space. This endeavor beautifully blends practical food production with stunning garden aesthetics. You'll discover how runner beans offer significant ecological benefits, enriching your outdoor environment. It's a deeply rewarding journey, taking you from a tiny seed to an abundant harvest. Prepare to enjoy both delicious food and a vibrant living garden spectacle. Runner beans are truly captivating, known for their impressive size and remarkable productivity. Their striking red or sometimes white flowers are a visual delight in any garden. These beautiful blooms add an undeniable charm and elegance to your green space. Beyond their beauty, these flowers are magnets for a wealth of pollinators. Bees will buzz happily around them, and you might even spot hummingbirds flitting among the blossoms. This makes runner beans a valuable asset for boosting biodiversity in your garden. They contribute significantly to the overall health and vitality of your garden ecosystem. To achieve those truly massive runner beans, providing the right conditions is key. These plants thrive in fertile soil that is also well-drained. Enriching your soil with plenty of compost or well-rotted manure will give them an excellent head start. This nutrient-rich foundation is crucial for vigorous growth. Consistent watering is absolutely essential, especially during dry spells. Adequate moisture ensures optimal growth and maximizes bean production throughout the season. Never let your plants dry out completely if you want a bountiful harvest. Furthermore, a sturdy support system is non-negotiable for these ambitious climbers. Trellises, teepees, or robust bean poles are perfect choices. These structures accommodate their vigorous climbing habit, allowing them to reach impressive heights. Providing strong support ensures your plants can bear the weight of their abundant harvest without collapsing. The culinary possibilities with runner beans are wonderfully diverse. Young, tender pods can be harvested early and enjoyed whole. They are delicious steamed, stir-fried, or simply added fresh to your favorite salads. Their crisp texture and fresh flavor are truly delightful. As the season progresses, mature beans can be shelled from their pods. These shelled beans are fantastic in hearty stews, comforting soups, and many other robust dishes. They add a satisfying substance and earthy flavor to your cooking. Even the vibrant red flowers are edible, offering a subtle bean flavor. They make a beautiful and unexpected addition, adding a splash of color to your summer salads. Don't hesitate to experiment with these versatile garden treasures in your kitchen. Growing runner beans offers rewards that extend far beyond the harvest itself. There's an immense sense of accomplishment that comes from nurturing these plants. It fosters a deeper connection to nature and the cycles of growth. Watching your beanstalks reach for the sky is incredibly satisfying and inspiring. Observing the vibrant flowers bloom and then seeing the pods laden on the stalks fills you with pride. It's a powerful testament to the resilience and generosity of nature. This journey highlights the incredible rewards that patient and dedicated gardening can bring. One of the best things about runner beans is their accessibility. They are relatively easy to grow. This makes them an excellent choice for novice gardeners just starting out. Even experienced gardeners will appreciate their reliable performance and abundant yields. They require surprisingly little fuss and attention once established. By inviting runner beans into your garden, you transform it into a thriving haven. Your space will be filled with delicious food, buzzing pollinators, and the impressive sight of towering beanstalks. It's a simple way to create a dynamic and productive outdoor environment. So, are you ready to embrace the challenge and joy of growing runner beans? It's time to plant those seeds and prepare for an unforgettable season. Get ready for an abundance of delicious food straight from your garden. Anticipate the fun of watching your garden come alive with activity and vibrant growth. Most importantly, prepare for the sheer joy and satisfaction of growing massive runner beans. Your garden and your taste buds will thank you.